Hey guys, so we're outside our apartment for the first time in LA.
Look, we've got all our luggage and stuff. We were gonna do an apartment tour, just like we did in Vegas, and Leah was like, let's just show our reactions for the first time. We haven't even been in yet.
So fingers crossed that this key works. Do the honest, Joel. Oh, it went green. So let's see what it looks like. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, this is nicer than Vegas.
No way. I can't get my stuff in.
Chuck our things in.
Yeah, let's start. Whoa. Oh my gosh, hang on.
My gosh.
This is crazy. Still got all my bags on.
This is insane.
Oh my god. I feel like we've stepped into into a meeting with like, wow, are we, wow.
I'm shocked. I'm shook.
Oh.
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. Okay, wow, this is nice.
This is insane.
Look at that view.
That's incredible. And a walk-in wardrobe.
No way. Oh my gosh, Joel, we've got robes. Joel, yes.
And we've got a balcony. Oh my gosh, you've seen the balcony.
Oh my gosh,
We've got
and
a
then
dinner table and sun lounges.
bathroom.
This is incredible.
This is incredible. So where's the other room?
Down here.
Oh my god, gorgeous kitchen.
Oh. Wow.
I was not expecting it to be this nice.
And this has also got a walk-in wardrobe and bathroom as well.
Oh my gosh.
This is insane. Like, how on earth have we ended up with this?
This is so worth the money. This is amazing.
Oh my god.
Let's have a look at this. Walk-in wardrobe, where's the lights? Okay, gorgeous. And more robes. Even more stuff. Freezer boxes, wardrobe. Whoa, there's 2 showers in there.
We can shower together, yeah!
Obviously we're not gonna do that. But this is crazy.
This is mental.
Wow, can't believe it.
I can't believe it as well.
This is crazy.
This is even better than Vegas. How have we managed that? I didn't think we could top that.
No. Let's have a look at the balcony now. Because I just can't get over the view.
Yeah, that's incredible. And just this living room, we won't want to leave.
We're not going to go outdoors.
No, we're going to stay in our flat the whole time.
Oh my gosh.
How do you open this then?
Whoa. Look
Whoa.
at that pool on that building over there.
That's incredible. And look, there's pools everywhere. Down there, over there. LA sick.
So cool.
This is incredible.
Oh my.
See, that was the building we were supposed to be in, I think.
This is insane.
This, oh my gosh. We're buzzing. So I think that's our pool.
That's our one? That one down there?
I think so. But it's got no sun.
No sunshine on it at the moment, so I guess we have to get there mornings. Oh,
Yeah.
is that Trader Joe's?
Joe's Auto Parks.
Don't
Not
know the
quite.
branding yet. I just feel really weird looking at people on
I
the
know.
balcony there, just
So
chilling.
funny. Only thing is, people have warned us that there can be aftershocks and more earthquakes could be on the way, and we're in yet another high-rise building. But hopefully they're built properly.
Yeah, this is just insane.
It's flat.
I can't believe it. This is the nicest place we've ever stayed ever in our life.
Ever.
Ever. I can't think of anywhere nicer.
Ever.
I mean, maybe it's. Well, we stayed at Kettner's townhouse, but that was that's just a different country, different vibe.
Yeah.
Like, that was like
Jacobean style suite, and this is like ultra modern LA hip. Like
Penthouse.
I can't.
It's
Can
a
we go back
penthouse.
inside?
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my god! It's sick. It's so good. I know.
This is so cool.
Isn't it? You're right. We're not going to want to go anywhere.
What?
We're just going to want to stay here. We haven't got any friends to invite over.
I know. We've got no friends. Actually, we've got
I want to see. This is the sign of a good host. Nothing. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, a good host always puts.
Yeah, prosecco in the
A
fridge.
few little treats. No treats.
Wow.
Any chocolate?
Nothing. No.
Any chocolate? No. Beer pong cups.
We can have a party.
Oh, we've always
This
wanted
is
to
sick.
do
This
that.
kitchen's amazing. Let's move to LA, Leah.
This is it. We're moving.
We're
done.
moving to LA.
No,
This
we've
is
made
our
up our
life.
mind. This is the flat we want
Yeah.
to live in. I just can't get over
How much does this
it.
cost? This must be millions.
Millions, sure.
Must be. Downtown LA. like this.
Someone tell us how much this would be. We are shook. Do you have a look at all this storage? Oh, okay.
Oh yes, our own dryer and washer. We've got washing to do.
I don't know how to dry them.
Yay! That's the owner's cupboard.
Owner's cupboard.
It's locked. What's in here? Oh, their clothes. That's what we always find this weird about like Airbnb is when the host leaves their clothes here.
Yeah, that is weird, isn't it? It
Yeah.
makes you feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, I just can't.
Very nice. Well, let's wrap up the video here then. We're just walking around now.
Yeah, we're walking around. We're just in complete shock. We can't believe how amazing it is.
We can't believe this. Honestly, I've never been happier with an Airbnb. Ever. This is insane. I can't believe we're in LA.
I know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
We've loved every moment of this house tour. We hope you have.
We hope you have too. Stay tuned for our LA videos. We post videos thrice weekly, twice on this channel, and once on our personals. And we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.